Well, our lead story tonight, it's been 1 week where there's been a daily hike every day of petrol and diesel prices. So today was the 7th straight day of hikes. Petrol is up 2 rupees 5 paise per litre in just 1 week. Diesel 2 rupees 40 paise in Delhi. Let's look at the Indian crude basket, which has crossed $81 per barrel. This looks at the price of various oil products. Let's just look since the beginning of this year. Since the 1st of January this year, petrol is up 25%. It's over 104 rupees a litre in Delhi. While diesel is lower at over 93 rupees, but it's risen faster at 26%. The government's argument is this is because crude has risen almost 50% this year, but this is only partly true. Take a look at what's happened in the last 2 years. In 2020, we began with petrol at 75 and diesel at about 67 to 68 rupees in Delhi. In fact, between January and December, crude prices actually fell about 23%. But because the government and states raised taxes, what you paid for petrol and diesel actually went up despite that fall by about 10%. But this year, crude prices have gone up as well and taxes haven't been cut. The combination of both means you're now paying record prices.
Parmeshwar Dhavle, a truck driver from Maharashtra, says the frequent diesel price hikes now means he's running at a loss, even finding it difficult to pay school fees of his children.
क्या करे, गाड़ी तो चलाना पड़ रहा है, नहीं तो बैंक खींच के लेके जाएगा गाड़ी. डीजल इतना बढ़ गया कि पैसा ही नहीं बच रहा है.
Ikramuddin from Amroha, Uttar Pradesh, has been working as a truck driver for the past 2 decades. He says if the situation doesn't improve, he'll be forced to sell his truck and work as a laborer.
सरकार को तो कदम उठाने चाहिए इस चीज में. अन्ना होगा तो हम भी बेच ही देंगे. हम क्या करेंगे, इसका चला के मजदूरी कर लेंगे, कर्जा थोड़ी करते रहेंगे अपने सिर पे इससे.
In Delhi's Okhla vegetable wholesale market, 35-year-old Zakir, who works as a wholesaler, says the sales are dipping with truckers being forced out. Paying workers is getting difficult.
गाड़ियाँ वगैरह आती थी, जो 35 का भाड़ा था, अब तकरीबन 45 का भाड़ा हो गया. और आमदनी भी कम हो गई है, बिक्री भी कम हो गई है. महंगाई इतनी बढ़ रही है कि लोग महंगाई में आलू नहीं खरीद पाते हैं, प्याज भी खरीद पाते हैं.
In Delhi, the retail price due to shortage of these vehicles is pushing prices up. Tomato price has increased from 20 rupees a kg a month back to 60 rupees per kg, up by 200%. Potato prices have increased from 12 rupees per kg to 20 rupees per kg now, up by 75%. Similarly, capsicum has doubled from rupees 60 per kg to 120 rupees per kg, an increase of 100%. In Hyderabad, low-income families are facing the brunt of the steep hike in petrol and diesel prices.
एक दिन में हजार रुपये कमाते हैं, उसमें 400 पेट्रोल की जा रहा. हम 600 में क्या कर रहा, काम घर में पे करना, वो पे करना, पेट्रोल का करना, क्या आ रहा, मेरे कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा. ये पहले तो भी 700-800 रुपये मिलता था. अभी दिन भर करने से सिर्फ 500-600 रुपीज़ मेरा. अभी उसमें पेट्रोल भी अभी पेट्रोल को भी हो जा रहा है इसमें.
However, some of those with higher incomes say the citizens should pay more.
We have enjoyed the subsidies from the central government for so many years, especially more during the Congress regime. If the country has to develop, we the Indians have to contribute to the country.
While the consistent rise in the fuel prices is already burning a hole in the pocket of common man, its indirect impact is also now being felt in each and every household. And while a common man has several questions, the government appears to be a mute, helpless spectator on this issue of everyday's fuel price hike. With Uma Sudhir in Hyderabad and camera person Sushil Rathi, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.